All right, in this next segment, I'm going to show you how to solve an equation using division. Okay, so I've given you a problem. So using division, I have negative 2x equals 56. Now, when you have a number in front of a variable, that means multiplication. So the opposite, in order to undo that multiplication, you have to use its opposite, division. So you always try to get rid of the number that's next to the variable. So I'm getting rid of not just 2, negative 2. So I am dividing by negative 2. And whatever you do to the left, you have to do to the right as well. So these cancel, and you're left with x on the left. And then what you have here is 56 divided by negative 2. Now, you may know it. You may know what half of 56 is. Or you might have to use a little division here. So let's work that out. So 2 goes into 5 how many times? As close as you can get it is twice. So you subtract that 4 from 5, you end up with 1. Bring down your 6. So now you have 16. 2 fits into 16 8 times. 16. So then it's 0. So you know that x equals, and because there's a positive being divided by a negative, it'll be negative 28. Remember, when you're multiplying or dividing, if you have different signs, your answer will always be negative, or opposite signs will always give you a negative answer. Okay? So now x equals negative 28. So now we have to check our work to make sure that it's fine. Okay, so we take it, substitute it back into the original equation. So I'll write that down. Negative 2x equals 56. So now I substitute. So I have negative 2 times negative 28. Does it equal 56? We'll check that out. So negative times a negative, or same signs, give you a positive answer. So we don't need the sign anymore. It's positive. And then 2 28s, or 2 times 28, is 56. So 56 equals 56. So it's correct. So now we know that we came up with the correct response.